Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you my favorite things from The Sound of Music. My Favorite Things has 10 chords, but thank goodness they're fairly familiar. The first chord is an E minor, then we have a C major 7, an A minor, a D7, I use the E C to 7, a G, a C, then B7 to E minor is not as familiar, but the B7 shape is the same as E minor, just over a string. B7, E minor, you go like that. And then you have an A, which is 2 fingers, and an A7. One place at the end you have to practice is when you go. The strumming pattern I'm going to use is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. If you like this video, please press like. You can also leave us a comment. If you go to ukulele.io, you can get sheet music to this song. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, black copper candles with warm wool and mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apples, poodles, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Enjoy! Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching!